Yo, what's up, guys? It is Kyle from Cairo Apps here, and if you have been following me for the past 3 days, actually 4 days since I mentioned it day before, it is Xcode tutorial week. Now, this will be happening every 3 to 5 weeks, so basically every month maybe. It'll be a full week of tutorials on how to do things in Xcode. It's that simple. How do you like my new background, guys? Hope you like it. If you want to actually download that, uh, feel free to Skype me or something. I'll send you it. My Skype is kylegreenlaw. Just search that up, and yeah, we'll talk and get you one of these. Also, the icon that will be available for you guys to download. Well, sending. Today is all about tweeting from your app, as you can see right there. Let's get straight into it. Go ahead and open up Xcode and create a new project. Make sure it's a single view application, and we're going to call it tweeting from your app. As always, guys, I will be using the iPhone, not iPad, not universal, iPhone. And, of course, I use storyboards. You might as well use the new thing. The old thing's just going to keep getting older and older. Go ahead and select Next and create your desktop for easy access. First thing we need to do is add the framework Twitter. So go ahead and scroll down until you see linked frameworks and libraries. Select the plus button and scroll all the way down until you see Twitter, which is the second last one under iOS 6 if you have updated. Add this to your project and drag it down into frameworks. Now go to the main storyboard. Now if you are on 4.1, you're going to have a 4-inch display. Personally, I don't like that at the moment since I do not have my iPhone 5 just yet or an iPod Touch. So I can't really develop on that. We're going to set it to portrait, and the status bar, we're going to make it translucent black. Let's go to the viewcontroller.h file and import this, which is the twitter.h file. So import the carrots, as some people will call them. Just type twit, and it would Twitter and add that. Go ahead and select enter twice, and as always, it's the notepad that we use, so you guys can easily follow along. If you don't want to download the source code, that's completely understandable. I will always have this in here, so don't ask where is it, blah 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 blah. No. It's just an IB action. This is very simple. You do not need any of that, so we're just gonna call it tweeting. Oh, and the semicolon, and now we can go into the .h. .m. Just type the same thing you did up here. IB action. Get rid of this. Tweeting. And that's it. Of course, open the brackety thing. I need someone to tell me what these are. Every time I want to search Google, I always forget. So write down in the comments, Skype me, I need to know. Let's start. TW, and there it is. It's the TW tweet compose view controller. I don't know how to speak or write today. It is crossed out just because it's the old one and it's not being used in iOS 6, but it still works. It's pretty good. I like it better than the new one, even though I don't know how to do the new one yet. So go ahead and write the star Twitter equals the two opening brackets, the crossed out one, and allocate. I think that's how you say it. And I spelled it wrong. And 1 closing bracket, and just add that, and another closing bracket with a semicolon. Now we actually have to do another one, another opening bracket, and write Twitter, which we said right there. Twitter, set initial text, and the @ and 2 quotations. Inside here, I'm just going to write, for the purpose of the tutorial, you can write whatever you want. Cairo apps, period. Xcode tutorial week. Not weeks. There. So this is basically going to pop up when we select the button. Open another bracket and write self, present, and of course it is crossed out just like everything else because it is all old. And Twitter, animated, yes, closing bracket, and the semicolon, and that is it. There's no more code. Just go ahead to the utilities, open that up if you close that with me. Go to the connections, and under objects, get the round wrap button and drag one in, and I'm going to call it tweeting from my app. There. And we actually have to connect that now. So under view controller, which is right here, drag tweeting to your button. Now it is done. You can go ahead and run that. Close that. You will also have these alerts. It's just saying that it is not anymore in iOS 6. So basically they got rid of it. While this loads, I'm just going to tell you guys to please subscribe for more videos that are coming in the next week, every single day. It's amazing. So there's our button. When we select it, there is the Twitter sheet, as the app will call it, and there is the text that we have preset in here. Of course, the simulator does not have a Twitter account connected right now, but it has the hashtag and the @ symbol, because Twitter loves the @ symbol and the hashtags. And the send button, it will send it. I can't show you because I did not set up a Twitter account, but that's it. It's so little code here. It's very simple. But I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe for more videos this week, and if you have any video suggestions, you can comment below, or you can Skype me at kylegreenlaw, and I find that's the easiest, most accessible way that you can reach me, because I have it on my phone and my computer, and I'm always on those two devices no matter where I am. So I hope you liked it. Peace. Guys, if you do want the background I have here, or the Cairo Apps icon, as I said before, or if I didn't mention, you can just Skype me and I'll easily send that to you. And that's the only way you're going to be able to get these specially made. This is a custom. Yeah, so you won't get this anywhere else. So Skype me.